Planet Bollywood.
Miss India United Continent 2015, Sushri Mishra is going to represent India for the Miss United Continents 2015, which will be held in Guayaquil, Ecuador. और इस मेगा इवेंट पर जाने से पहले सुश्री ने Zoom से की एक्सक्लूसिवली बात, जहां उन्होंने उन सभी का शुक्रिया अदा किया जिन्होंने उन्हें इस पैजेंट तक पहुंचने में मदद की।
It's been really exciting and it's been wonderful so far. It's like a beauty queen boot camp where we're working on everything, you know, like for hair we have Chroma K as our hair academy who teaching us how to work with our hair, what to do, what not to do. For skin expert we have Jamuna Pai who actually helps us to take care of our skin so beautifully. For makeup we have Fatmo and Taranum teaching us how to perfect the makeup skills. For smile expert we have Sandesh Maikar. We have been working really hard with Sameer Purohit and Amrita Purohit. Since I'm going for a Spanish speaking country, I have been working on Spanish. I have been learning a new language, and thank you so much Archana Thakur. Alicia Raut has been a ramp walk trainer and she has helped us master the perfect ramp walk to show our personality in the right way. I think this year Femina Miss India's training has been fantastic because along with Sabira Merchant being our diction expert, we also had William Hansen who is an international groomer. And a very big thank you to Kavita Lakhani because it's only because of you I'm getting such a fab wardrobe from my pageant. Also I want to thank some designers, which is Karal Malhotra, Nidhi Muneem, Malini Ramani, Rohit and Rahul, Falguni and Shane, and also most importantly Gavin, because he is doing my finale outfit and I think I'm getting the best outfit that I could have thought of in my dreams, and Melvin for creating the best national costume for me. Aquamarine and Curio Cottage, they have been giving me such fabulous jewelry and making me look pretty all the time. I want to thank Femina Miss India organization for giving me this wonderful opportunity because this is actually a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and I'm very grateful from the bottom of my heart. And all I want to say is that please follow my journey, follow me on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and be a part of this entire process.
Well, Sushri, we really hope that you win the international pageant and make our country proud. For Abhishek Singh, Zoom, Mumbai.